What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. What's going on, guys? You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be talking about Turbo. I am going to be talking about how Turbo will reach $1 billion in market capitalization sooner than we think. Now, guys, I have been talking about all different meme coins in recent episodes. I was telling you guys about Grago. I'm very pleased with the performance of Grago. If you guys got in on Grago when I did, around that $1 million market cap, you would be up significantly in profits. And of course, I've been talking about my favorite frog, Hoppy, and I realized that I haven't done a Turbo update in a while, and I promised you guys since I started covering Turbo that I was going to be covering Turbo on a regular basis. So here it goes, guys. And one more thing also, if you stick around to the end of the episode while we are on the topic of a AI meme coin, Turbo, I am going to be letting you guys know about a few micro cap AI meme coins that I have been DCAing into in recent months that I believe are going to perform great, that you might want to keep on your radar. So make sure you stick around to the end of the episode. So guys, Turbo currently is trading at 0.0092. It is at a $601.7 million market capitalization. Turbo is up 19% roughly on the weekly time frame, and it is up 41% on the monthly time frame. Now, I'm gonna put it in terms. I'm gonna put it like this, guys. With Turbo is not the same as many of the other meme coins that we are in on, okay? With Turbo, it is simply a waiting game, okay? We have everything. With Turbo, when we're talking Turbo, guys, my highest conviction, believe it or not, you might think my highest conviction is Hoppy. It's kind of like they're very close, but probably the one that takes the cake is Turbo, because Turbo has everything that we have been looking for since we first got in on Turbo, since we first started paying attention to Turbo. We have gotten all of these things on a silver platter, okay? Turbo has all of the listings that we are looking for, okay? We are on over 105 exchanges. I always check the website before I do a Turbo episode. And yes, we are on 105 plus exchanges. And I would not be surprised if there are going to be more exchanges as time goes on. Prior to Turbo, I didn't even realize that there were 105 exchanges. And Turbo on a daily, on a weekly basis, Turbo continues to get the exchange listings. I wouldn't be surprised if there are more listings, 110 or even more exchange listings. But guys, the only exchange listing that we are looking for at this point, and I do believe that in the near future, Turbo will get a listing on Coinbase, guys. We all know Coinbase is kind of like the gold standard when it comes to exchange listings, and I do believe, because we all know that Turbo was listed for futures, for perpetual futures trading on Coinbase International. I do believe, like I said, I put it in terms like this. I said, Turbo is like the employee for a big company, Coinbase being the big company, and Turbo has an internship right now at this point with Coinbase, and I do believe that Turbo is going to land that full-time position. Turbo is going to get that listing for spot trading on Coinbase, where you could just simply click onto Coinbase, no Coinbase wallet needed, no DEXs or centralized exchanges, other centralized exchanges needed. You could just click on Coinbase and buy your Turbo. And so we have everything that we need. It is simply a waiting game. And for, people in recent times, they've been throwing down in the comments that they are not pleased with the performance of Turbo. And guys, it's up 19%, almost 20% on the weekly time frame, 40% on the monthly time frame. We have to with Turbo, what we have to do is we have to let the market do what the market does. We have to be patient, okay? I always promote, I am a buy and hold investor. There are different approaches that you could take when investing into cryptocurrency, and I believe that buy and hold, I believe that the most successful cryptocurrency traders are the ones that set it and forget it. They buy a position, they take a position on a crypto that they believe is a good entry point, and they simply wait. They wait for that crypto to mature, and I think that Turbo falls into this category, guys. I do not promote swing trading. I do not promote day trading. That is simply too, it's above my pay grade, if you will. I don't want to be glued to the screen, although I am still basically, even when I'm at work, I check my cryptos, I check my balances. But day trading, swing trading, it's very risky. It's very, I'll leave it to the professionals. That's how I look at it. And I am by no means a professional. I'm simply a guy who loves crypto and who happens to invest into crypto. And you have to remember that none of this is financial advice. But guys, talking about this waiting game, I put out an episode just yesterday saying that I thought that Bitcoin was going to go $80,000 per Bitcoin, probably this upcoming week, Monday, Tuesday. And guys, we just hit $80,000 per Bitcoin less than a half hour ago. I was checking my my portfolio, throughout the night when I get up to do my business, and I check my phone, and I was so happy throughout the night. We were touching 78K, then we were touching 79K. I had a big smile on my face, and yes, as soon as I got up, I got a message from my good brother, Crypto Milad, concerning different types of cryptos and stuff like that. And as soon as I replied to Milad's message, I checked I checked Coinbase, and I looked, and Bitcoin was trading at $80,000, guys. We hit 80K on a weekend, on a Sunday, when historically on the weekends the volume is low. But guess what, guys? We are at the turning point right now. This is, and I keep saying it in episodes, this is where things get good. And no surprise here, I checked my utility portfolio, and yes, my utility portfolio is up, but my meme coin balance, my meme coin portfolio was up. It was way up compared to where the utility plays are. And it's just amazing how things in crypto are evolving. It is looking like meme coins are gonna be the winners this cycle, and that is why I have gone so heavily. I have allocated such a large portion of my portfolio to meme coins. I think that meme coins are going to outperform the rest of the market. I believe that Murad was correct in his prediction of a meme coin super cycle, and I think that meme coins are going to beyond surprise us. I think we're going to all do great, and Turbo certainly falls into this category, guys. It is a waiting game at this point, and I would not be at all surprised if Turbo was trading, if it was above a $1 billion market capitalization by the end of this quarter. I would not be surprised if in the next weeks, in the next couple of months to come, we see some really, really good price action with Turbo. So those are my thoughts and opinions on Turbo. And if you stuck around to this point, to the end of the episode, thank you very much. And I'm just going to drop a couple of gems right now for you guys. Some AI, some micro cap AI, while we are on the topic of Turbo, because we all know Turbo was created by AI. And I think that when the AI wave hits, when the liquidity hits the AI sector of cryptocurrency, I believe that Turbo is certainly going to benefit from this liquidity. But so let's just talk about the my main three AI meme coin. I'm stuck on meme coins, guys. My three AI micro cap picks that I have been adding to my positions, that I have been DCAing in recent months and even weeks. Even yesterday, I was DCAing into these plays. So the first one goes by the name of GLQ. Okay, GraphLink chain. It is currently at a $36 million market cap. It is up 18% on the daily time frame. It is up 60% on the weekly time frame, guys. I called GLQ when it was around $25 million in market cap. If you were following my trades, you are up considerably. And guys, I believe that GLQ is destined for billions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say that. How many billions? I am not going to say that. I would not be at all surprised if GLQ hit a 1, 2, 3, 4 billion, even more than that in market capitalization. But the point I am making is that it is a great play. It is one of my highest conviction micro cap AI plays, and you might want to put it on your watch list. Not financial advice. And then the second micro cap AI play that I am in on, that I have been DCAing in on, is AIT protocol. Okay, AIT. It is currently at a $32 million market cap. It is up 30% on the weekly time frame. Again, I called AIT at around $25 million in market cap. You would be up, a nice amount at this point. Okay, and then the third and the final low micro cap AI play that I will be talking about is CRAI, okay, Cryptify AI. I did an episode on Cryptify AI a few weeks ago, and I think it was around a $3 million market cap I called it at, and it is currently at a $7 million market cap. So if you were following my trade, you would be up around a 2x. It is up 45% on the weekly time frame, and it is up 87% on the monthly time frame. Now, guys, all three of these, and CRAI is the highest risk, highest reward out of these three. It is at a low market cap, and but once again, I see all of them, CRAI, Cryptify AI included, I see them trading at billions of dollars in market capitalization in the near future. It might not happen. It's most likely not going to happen this quarter. It's probably not going to happen 2024, but I believe at some point in 2025, especially when NVIDIA, that obviously that's a stock, that's not a crypto, but Tensor Tau, cryptos, render the high cap, the massive or bigger AI cryptos. When they begin to pump, that liquidity is going to flow down into these three, and I think that they are gems, guys. So for those three, you might want to put them on your radar. You might want to put them on your watch list. Keep an eye on them, guys. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, but guys, that's all I have on today's Turbo update. I think patience is key with this one, guys. We just got to be patient. We got to let the market do what the market does, and we are going to be handsomely rewarded in the end. So, guys, throw down in the comments, how do you feel about Turbo? Do you hold Turbo? I'm pretty sure you do at this point, guys. And that's all I have for this one today, guys. If you enjoy my content, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and smash the bell notification so you can see when I have content coming out. It's going to be coming out on a regular basis for you guys. And, guys, this is Crypto Timmy signing out. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.